Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is RRR Refuel Ride Race channel, and this channel it's all about passion for motorcycles, cars and traveling. And in this video I would like to share my 5 tips how I got monetized on YouTube. As you probably know, I uploaded my first video on 23rd of June 2021, and this is more than a year ago, and I reached 1000 subscribers in May next year, so 2022. So for getting those 1000 subscribers, it wasn't really a long time, I mean less than a year, but you should keep going all the time, so you should never stop. This is, let's say, a general rule for YouTubers, and I would also recommend just going. And about the 4000 of watch hours, yeah, this is a tough one. I have to say it's a really tough one, because I didn't reach the 4000 watch hours in 1 year. I had to continue, and finally on the 26th of October 2022, so it was kind of 1 year and 4 months, I got monetized. So let's go to 5 tips that I recommend, and these 5 tips really work. So 5 tips: consistency, sharing, commenting, making stickers, and making quality videos. First of all, you have to decide what will be your niche. So when you have your niche, you start uploading, you start making videos, and the first thing is to make quality and, let's say, well-made videos. So if you are doing quality videos and if you are improving videos, then you will get more views, and with more views there also comes subscribers. The second thing is the sharing. So when you make a video, you should share it, because you are a new YouTuber, you don't have subscribers, you don't have the audience, you're in a way alone. It is also very important to be subscribed to bigger groups, like here you can see, and there you can just post your videos, and people can watch it from there. So you should share your videos, so keep it sharing on Facebook, Instagram or other social media, and you will get more views and probably also more subscribers. This was in my case. So being a part of larger groups, it's the way to go, and there you can also gain some more friends on Facebook, for example, and also you can invite them to subscribe to your channel via Messenger and so on. But do not expect to get a lot of views and subscribers, because Facebook and other social media today, this is full of these videos of any kind, and people are just not watching. They may just put a like and this is all, but still it's worth doing it. The third thing is to make stickers. So if you have a sticker, you can leave it on a car. You can also give it to a friend or to a person that is walking on a sidewalk or in the town. I mean everywhere. So this is a very good thing to have. If you upload your videos consistently, it means if you have let's say a kind of a rule that you're gonna post every week or 2 times a week or even 3 times a week, and if you keep posting, you should get views, and in the same time you should also get subscribers. This is very, let's say, ideal in a way, because your audience will get used to it. Commenting. So when you saw a video on YouTube about the same bike, about the same car, a test ride or a test drive, you should put there down a comment saying, yeah, it's a nice car, it's a nice bike, I mean it has some negatives and positives, try to mention them. So in this case we can be pretty sure that people are gonna see this and probably click on your channel. And let's say in this way you promote yourself, and at the end you just write something like drop by, you may like it. And this really works, I can confirm this. This is all, guys. These were my 5 tips about getting monetized on YouTube. So how I succeeded. I think that it was well worth going and working as a YouTuber, because you can get your own satisfaction, and every day when you see a little progress, you're more satisfied and you feel happy. Still, keep going, continue and post more quality videos, and you will reach those 4,000 hours of watch time, and even more. You will also reach 1,000 subscribers very fast. Thanks for watching, and you know, subscribe if you like my content, if you like my channel. It is up to you.